Okay, what's good everybody on YouTube? Back again. As you can see, I got a little SRT front bumper conversion from my old 2018 Dodge Charger RT. This is the old bumper. Y'all know how the old bumper looks. Obviously I got new fog lights I'm talking about. When you plug it in, it doesn't work initially. So in order to fix that, you gotta mess with this little connector. Simple, easy steps. I'm about to show y'all how to work that. So since I only got my hands, I'm about to put on my little POV headgear set. Okay, YouTube. So we got the headgear on. As you can see, we got the little connector. There's this little tab right here. You're gonna use a screwdriver or like a really skinny like pin or whatever to kind of pry it up. Simple as that. And then try to just kind of wiggle it out. Bruh. Be a little more careful than how I'm doing it. A little more careful. Don't just force it. I say that and then I force it. But as you can see, it's out. Remember the little pin, this part is gonna be your front. So now we got these two little sparks right here. There's a black little tab right here. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully focus, but there's a black little tab right here. We're trying to switch this white and yellow one to this side and this black one to the other side. We'll start off with the white and yellow side. This is black little tab. This is how I did it. I used this screwdriver, this flathead screwdriver, and I lifted it up to get better positioning. It's a little hard at first, I ain't gonna lie. And there's these flies, bro. These flies be pissing me off, bro. Boom, as you can see, pulled that out. Connector is all the way out. And you gotta remember that this side is gonna be like this. When the side that curves up is gonna be on the outside. So you do the same thing for the other side.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, after 10 years later, finally got it out. It really shouldn't have taken that long. I don't know, bro. After that's taken out, flip sides. Push buddy in here. Then buddy right here. Boom. Locked and loaded. Tugging on a little bit to make sure it's locked. Remember what we said? This little clip pin right here needs to be on this side, facing away from, and then you're gonna clip that back into place. No. Okay. No. There you go. Clip it back into place. Boom. Just like that, your LED light should work. I'm gonna take this out for demo. I was like, I might as well knock this video out. I'm gonna put this in for demo. As you can see, here's the LED fog light. Boom. Clip that bit. Hold up. I didn't put it in right. Yeah, I did. Okay. Get a lock. Little click. Boom. Clip that bit in. Simple. You're gonna wanna test the light. Okay, we turn the car on. Boom. I'm sorry, neighbors. As you can see, boom. I know you see it from here, but the fog light works. Fog light is working. Hold on. Turn the car off. So that's how you can convert the fog lights for the new Scat Pack front bumper. Just like that, you're back in business, gang. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, all that. Got any more questions, comment down below. Thank y'all for watching. Wanted to show the fog lights at night. I run out of daylight. As you can see, fog light, Uno, and fog light dos. Both of them working. We done made it, man. We did it. We did it.